Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Carcassonne, France, and I'm at the castle. And the castle is phenomenal. It's a double-walled castle and a city inside, and it is intact and amazing. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh. Is that amazing? Wow. Wow, wow. Alright, well let me go figure out what it takes to go inside and tickets and all that stuff, and I will be right back with you and we'll go in and explore it together. Be right back. Alright, so this is the walled city, and it is amazing. I've been here before, and I always thought what was cool was the two walls. So it's got a moat on the outside, a wall, and then the other wall. So you can see this wall up front here in the front, and then the wall in the back, and these tours. And let me show you the name, and you can see it over here. And it's a UNESCO heritage site. That's it. And you can see that it's Carcassonne. Carcassonne. And so if you look here, you can see the moat and the wall, which is pretty amazing. And then the drawbridge and all this stuff. And then if you're on this side, they put a road through here. And there's the towers. That is just amazing, isn't it? Wow. So in the moat goes all the way up and around that way. Wow. Pretty amazing. Now it's tough because the ground is all cobblestone and goofy. So you gotta watch your step. Here's the drawbridge. And so we're gonna go inside. Oops. So we're inside the first wall, right? So you go over the moat, through the first wall. Now you're here in the second wall. And this is the second wall. And it's bigger and more opposing for sure. Certainly a stronghold for all get out. And you can go with a tour or walk around it yourself. It's a guided tour if you want it, but we don't want that. We're just going to go in. And I'm just going to go in and give you a sample and a flavor so you know that you want to come here or don't want to come here. Oh, go ahead. And you can go into the walls and everything else. It's pretty amazing. You can buy swords and armor, knives and daggers, postcards. And I bet I can find a beer somewhere. And it's really an old city inside of the walled fortress. Well, we'll go right down the middle. How's that sound? Oh. Excuse me. Crazy. And they've got candy, beer, sodas. I'm gonna have to check back here for my strawberry gummy bears, or strawberry gummy stuff. More candy. Oh, it smells wonderful. Wow. Gelato, all natural, more ice cream and stuff. Wow. Oh, that looks like you need a ticket. Parcours de visite. Billets ahead. Oh, and I think they do fighting and stuff in there too. Jousting and stuff. But you know what? Let's just adventure out up one of these little side streets and see what we get. And it certainly is cute, and it certainly is old. Huh. So it's like they have business streets and living streets, because these are all houses. These are people's homes and stuff, so I don't know. Wow. Cute. And it's interesting, a jogger. I guess he just goes around. Round and around he goes. I bet he doesn't get lost too often. I like the hedges too, they're pretty. Huh. Oh, and is this a church? No, what is this building? We'll go to the other side to where the shops are. But I think it's good to see that it's not only a tourist city, but it's also a working, living city. So people live here, and I don't know, I bet there's schools and all sorts of stuff. So and it's nice that it doesn't cost anything to get inside. So you don't need a ticket here. You need a ticket for all the little shows and stuff, I think. And what is this? This looks like the backside. Oh, there's the police station. Huh. Yeah, and that's a school. So Centre Pomone. I think that's a prep school or something. I don't know. But it looks like a school. And there were kids here, so... Huh. Well, left or right? Let's go this way. Oh. Huh. And well in front of me. Oh. Crepes. It's bright. It's hard to see my camera. Iris Gallery. They can examine your eyes. All right. Well, I'm going to walk around a little bit. I got to go find a restroom, and I'll look in this hole for you. Is this just a place where they shoot arrows from? I bet it is. That's exactly what it is. Yeah. So he would just sit here and shoot arrows. Thump, 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 thump. Pretty crazy. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, everybody, here's the bathrooms. And you know me, anytime I see something unique or different about the bathrooms, I gotta go give it a try. And so it says toilets and handicapped toilets and all that kind of stuff. And let me read to you what it says. These toilets are cleaned and disinfected after each use. Children under 10 years of age must be accompanied. Maximum time in use, 15 minutes. So you can't park in there. So you get the green light. You guys see the green light? Now watch what happens. So you just pull the door and watch what happens. Watch the toilet seat. When you go in and shut the door, how funny. And so you do your thing, and it's got a dryer and water on one side, a dryer on the other. You can hang your stuff and everything else. But I thought the automated toilet seat was interesting as heck. So certainly interesting. Okay, moving on. All right, everybody. So the toilet was quite unique. So then I looked at the other one. So I was in the handicapped one. If you go into the other one, it has the Asian kind of toilet where it's flat on the ground and it's the leg sprayer. Well, I guess never mind. We're not going to go down this rabbit hole. Definitely get us some problems. So very cool. And it's got this restaurants and stuff, and it's just a big, huge castle, and restaurants and walls, and you can run the ramparts inside and out. You can eat lunch, and they got lots of restaurants, lots and lots of restaurants. Huh. And then look at the pictures. Look at the castle. How amazing is that? Wow. Wow. That's amazing. Well, and you can look at how much the prices are. So, I don't know. This is $20.90, and you get one of those. I think that's soup or something, or petite. Tapas are escargot, and pizzas, 15, 16, 18, 20 bucks for a cheeseburger. Anyway, definitely interesting. It really is quite an amazing place. Let's go look at the square. And you can see the people up there on the rampart. And so you really can walk this whole thing. And it goes up into all the towers, and it just keeps going. So it's pretty amazing. Incredible. But I think to walk the ramparts you have to pay. So cute place. Let's see, which way do we want to go? Left, straight? Let's go straight. And I guess it's dog friendly and kid friendly. Yep. Wow. You have to be really careful here. It's very uneven and the ground is really crazy. So just be safe. And it's certainly not a mobility challenged person. I think you could get a good scooter through here if it had like pneumatic tires and stuff. But if it was hard ones, then you'd probably have a hard time. Pretty amazing, huh? Very cool. Let's go look at this wall over here. I think I came through here the first time, but I didn't go over to this thing, but I think this is where the shows are. I want to see how much the shows are. Let's see. Terrace. Has Trump been here? Oh, it has an outline of the walls too. That's kind of cool. So the purple is the Rampart Quest. The blue is Rampart East, Chateau. Rampart Nero. So for an individual, it's 13 bucks. And so I think this is the right one. Yeah, there you go. So 13 bucks, visitors guides. And then I don't have a ticket. Okay. And that's what it looks like inside. Huh. Let's go this way. Huh.
Après, si tu peux faire planer par connaître, sinon c'est 13 € au lieu de 19. Comme tu veux. On sait qu'en octobre, on peut. On est passé par la.
Yeah, it's just a cute little town inside the castle wall, essentially. And they play a little Bob Marley. And there are restaurants everywhere. No McDonald's yet, but I'm still looking. All right, that's it for me. I'll be right back. Bye, everybody.